In a rural state like South Dakota, there are less than 1 million people, and we're not a small state. So that gives you an idea of the remoteness we're talking about. Having excellent state services helps people who want to come here and realize that this is a great place to be. We'll take care of you, and we'll get you what you need quickly.
The governor was fairly clear when she came into office about 4 years ago that there was a big gap between what the citizens were experiencing at the private sector level and what the government was delivering. And so the number one priority was to fix that.
The people who need our services most, they don't have the greatest and latest technology to connect to us. How can we make this easy for them? It's always about trying to find as many outlets to get people what they need. So we were able to take SD.gov, the ServiceNow platform, and make that the one-stop shop.
We really want to meet the citizen where they're at. I want the citizen to be able to find everything without having to have a manual. And I think we get that very easily with the ServiceNow platform. It's built with the consumer in mind.
In any given year, we have between 250 and 300 active projects. 95% of our projects are based on low bid, and so contractors have to either hand deliver overnight or mail in bids days in advance. And we've had multiple situations where bids have gotten lost in the mail. With this new platform, a contractor has a single sign-on. What used to take upwards of 4 hours to open bids and get a bid tab published now takes less than a minute.
A lot of the older systems really weren't end-to-end solutions. And so you had employees that were hopping between multiple things. And so any of those digital intakes that you can do that takes those manual processes out of the picture is just a huge improvement in experience. That's just less load on the employee and more efficiency at the end of the day for the state and for the citizen.
State employees have big hearts. They want to help people. So there's an instant satisfaction for the citizen, but there's also an instant satisfaction that we've been able to help someone get what they need.
That to me would be the greatest accolade and the greatest success, is to know that our work has impacted the citizens in that positive way.